Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Vivo Y95 Water Test. This phone is not water resistant. Let's see if it can survive in the water test. Do you think it can survive the water test? Let me know in the comments below. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 439, and this is the 4GB of RAM with a 64GB of internal storage. On the back, it has a dual camera setup, 13MP plus 2MP camera, and also it has a notch with a 20MP front facing camera. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. Now I'm gonna place this phone here, and now I'm gonna start the timer and start filling up the water. And the phone is now completely in water. I'm gonna leave this phone in the water for 1 minute, and let's see if it can survive in the water. And the phone is not responding to the touches in the water. Let's flip this phone, and the camera still looks good. Let's flip it back again, and as you can see, the display is still on. Now it's been 1 minute, let's take the phone out. So first I'm gonna clean the phone and let's see if it's still working. And yes, the phone is working, and also the phone is now very responsive to the touch. Let's check the camera. And yes, the camera is working, and it still takes good photos. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. Volume rockers are also working. Let's check the speaker. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing speed test between Vivo Y95 and Redmi Note 6 Pro. The speaker is loud and clear. The water didn't went inside the camera. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is working, and it unlocks the phone without any problem. Now let's check the face unlock. I have added my face, and let's see. And yes, it instantly unlocks the phone as soon as I look at the phone. The phone is also charging without any problem. And the phone is fully working. The Vivo Y95 survived my water test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.